what we should do is to file a protest that China has no territorial sovereignty over Scarborough Shoal because Scarborough Shoal belonged to the Philippines in 1734. It's reiterated in the 1808 and 1875 pacts.
Hinikayat ni retired Supreme Court Associate Justice Antonio Carpio ang pamahalaan na magsampa ng protesta laban sa China sa kanilang inihain na statement on the baseline of the territorial sea sa United Nations noong isang linggo. Ayon kay Justice Carpio, hindi na kailangang madelay ng matagalang pagsasampa ng protesta ng Pilipinas laban sa China.
We cannot delay this anymore because China has already raised the issue impliedly by finding that their state baselines in Scarborough Shoal 2 days ago. And also they have been swarming in the territorial sea of Pag-asa. We have to protest that.
Naniniwala si Justice Carpio na patibong ng China sa Pilipinas ang kanilang inihaing strait baseline.